You do this every single day, and it's quietly destroying your brain, your heart, and your energy. It's not your food, not your sleep. It's something you never even question. Today, we're uncovering one silent daily habit that's hurting millions of people. And chances are, you're doing it too. Stay till the end, because we'll show you how to reverse the damage and rebuild your health from the inside out. The habit, scrolling. First thing in the morning, the science of dopamine hijacking. Blue light effect on cortisol and melatonin imbalance. How this delays morning brain activation and weakens focus for the day. Raises anxiety levels within minutes of waking up. Increases decision fatigue before your day even starts, creates doom loop of passive consumption. Long-term, increases risk of burnout and depression. Sarah, 28, experienced daily migraines until she stopped checking social media in the morning. Ahmed, 42, reversed chronic fatigue by changing his morning routine. The healthy routine: 1. Wake up, drink water. 2. No phone for 30 to 60 min. 3. Morning light exposure, window or outside. 4. 10 min mindful activity, walking, journaling, breathing. 5. Protein-based breakfast, optional. Bonus tip: keep your phone in another room or in airplane mode. Harvard study on phone usage and anxiety. Journal of Behavioral Neuroscience, morning screen exposure equals 3x cortisol spike. Stats: 82% of adults check their phone in 10 min of waking. This one habit can unlock better sleep, more energy, better focus. Challenge: try 7 days without morning scrolling. You'll feel the difference. Like if you learned something new. Share this video with someone who wakes up to their phone. Subscribe for weekly videos on building a healthy brain and body. Your mind deserves a better start. Don't let a screen steal your morning.